24.
Good morning.
We are here because there's been a lot of effort that has gone behind, and the core committee, please raise your hands so that we have a due acknowledgement from all of us here. Lester, please. Lester, please. Get the core committee to raise their hands.
He has to raise 3-4 hands.
Malay. So guys, Raja and party, Lester and party, Malay and party, Dishant and party, Ketan and party have been at this for a very long time. They have coordinated, they have done foot slogging, they have done a lot of cycling to home on to this place for this time. And on behalf of all of us, I convey my sincere thanks and gratitude for this day. And let's hope in the times to come, the same tradition continues. This band of brothers continues to become more stronger and more closer. We are our support system in the bright days to come, in the good sunset years that are ahead of us. And let's continue this. Let's look after the ones who are not here. Let's remember the ones who have gone. Let's spare a moment for those who are not keeping well, those who have departed, and let's help each other to be fit and fine, in shape condition, and let's look forward to that day when we are on the trot if the calling has to come. So I'll request each and every one of you to come here from one side or this side.
Before he departs.
Departs here, Baba.
So, 2 words, in a short, yeah.
2.5 words. Acknowledge.
Covered 1,000 liter miles.
Right. So, guys, 2.5 words, please join in.
Yeah, please from one side.
Thanks for all those who have come and made this.
No, come here. Rise and shine. Each one. Let's start from one end. Okay. Chalo.
Guys, thanks to all of you who have made this to the reunion. And I think that you will be present for all the coming reunions.
Thank you very much.
A big thank you to Raja, who has organized this entire reunion single-handedly.
नहीं यार.
For all the things that he has done, the amount of effort he has taken, and still he is going to make this video of this reunion. Big cheers to Raja!
So Raja has made all his appendages work to get this done.
How are you? The thing is that thank you everyone for coming here first of all, and the core committee who has organized this not only days before but in advance, and for everyone to be present over here. Everyone has a schedule, so squeezing time out of that is a very big thing, and let's hope that the reunion continues forever, and we will meet and keep in touch with each and everyone after the union up till the next and forever again. Thank you everyone. Thanks a lot.
So all those who want to touch him can touch him now.
Yeah. So just want to convey my gratitude and regards to the entire core committee team for arranging this. And this is one of the reunions which I always look forward to. तो आज खत्म हो गया. अभी कल से वापस हम कभी next reunion कभी होगा. That thought is there in my mind now.
अरे वो भी डिसाइडेड है रे, तू नाम लिखवा दे खाली रजिस्टर करवा दे.
कर्नल साहब चालू करो आपका कलेक्शन. नेक्स्ट टाइम ज्यादा लोग आने वाले हैं. अभी से कलेक्शन.
Yeah, let's hope that we see more new faces.
अगस्त में एक बॉटल. अगस्त में डूड कंटिन्यू है.
Anyway. So, first of all, RTS congratulations and kudos to the organizing committee for organizing this reunion in such a wonderful way. They have been doing this year on year, and we'll always look forward to it. Personally, this is one of the highlights of the beginning of the year for me. So
I've been fortunate to be able to attend all the reunions that have happened, and I hope and pray to God that I'm able to do that going forward as well. It's a great opportunity to meet so many of our school buddies, and this time I met few of them first time after school. So it was a special occasion for me.
Rebirth.
No, not that good. Anyway, so I look forward to all of these, get-togethers and meeting everybody. Thank you all.
I think everybody has said thank you to the committee, and I'll say it once more. Thank you very much for organizing this, Raja. It was wonderful. I think it was a good time for me for catching up with my dear friend Shailesh, who's always been my bum chum friend.
Shailesh Gupta, Samir Gupta.
I think we did how many years together? So how many years? I don't know, 13 years at least, I guess. Right, always together, and today I look forward to see him and every one of you. I was quite stressed out in the last few weeks, and I think before I came in over here, a major portion of my stress, the news that came out to me was to resolve all my stress out. I was really at my best over here for the last 2 days. Thank you everyone. It was great meeting you guys.
इम्पोर्टेंट आवाज मत
अरे सुनो रे दिल से आ रहा हूँ
दिल से गला खराब है तो दिल से बोलता हूँ. So I guess the best validation to talk about this reunion is that I reached a stage where my wife lets me get away from a family picnic in Goa to be here at the reunion. So I think they understand. Probably I go back a changed person. I have no idea. ठीक है, but I feel good. I feel good. Hopefully, I'm a better person every time I come here and get back. Thanks, everyone.
I echo the same. I'm really grateful and thankful to all the co-committee teams, each and every person, for taking the time, the energy, the effort in organizing this. This is the third reunion I have come. I'm really enjoying it. Thank you very much.
Good morning, everyone, friends. Thank you, first of all, the core committee who have done the marvelous efforts in organizing this and getting people. I think the count is more than the previous year when I came 4 years back. The count ज़्यादा है. I sincerely hope all of us have good health so that we keep coming back to this reunion and enjoy ourselves. Because we are aging, so I think we need to. The most important wish is that we all keep healthy, stay healthy, fit physically, be active, so that we can always keep meeting for years and all. That's my sincere wish for all of you. Thank you.
Kunjal.
No, the best part is that these reunions keep happening year on year, and we have the same enthusiasm and motivation to come here, and that's what binds us together, that binds this band of brothers together. So gratitude to the entire team, Raja, Lester, Ketan, Dishan, Malay, whosoever worked hard, for weeks together and make this happen. So again, so much thank you to all of these members, and look forward to meeting you all again, once again every year and every time.
मजबूत जोड़े
Probably our 6th reunion or the 5th one, I am not too sure. But I have been able to, 5th, that's what I thought. I've been able to attend all of them. I've been able to attend all of them. It's been great. But unfortunately, most of the time the same faces come. We should try to motivate one-on-one and try to get new faces. That's all I want to say. Thank you everyone.
Sure. I would like to thank everyone because during the last 3 years, COVID time, it had been a really band of brothers in a true sense, where the feeling of togetherness was really bonding us with each other. So thank you all and look forward to 2024.
Well, I think so. This is my third reunion, and when you come, you have so much of baggage. You come here, you unload everything. You feel free to be with all our chum bums. So I hope this continues for a longer time.
Debutant.
This is my first reunion, and as I said in the message that I'm a virgin for the reunion. So I know everyone took my ass, so it's okay.
First timer's charm.
So I thank the core committee, and also I thank each one of you all for making me feel special at least. And let's look forward to the next year.
Hi guys, I think we have thanked enough the core committee. मतलब बहुत ज़्यादा हो गया अब.
इसको काम दे, next time इसको काम दे, इसको काम दे.
But thanks to every one of you attending here, because everybody taking an initiative that no, this is my group and my friends and I need to be here. That itself is a big initiative everybody has taken. Thanks to all of you.
Has been kind enough to say I will help you all clean up. Okay. And what he has done is taken all the remaining booze.
Thanks everyone, school.
ये तुम ले बाबा, वो सालों का स्किल है.
भावना पोचला.
First of all, this man who keeps us bonded.
Yes, definitely.
But there are so many like Ishan, Ketan, Malay, everyone. Yeah, I mean, I think the beauty is that everyone just puts their bit in, not only for this reunion. I think all through the year. And that's what.
नहीं नहीं लिया रे वो बिट बोला ना.
अभी तो बोला तो मेरे को अभी. Fucking asshole. No,
Now you're giving proper.
asshole. And this guy, I feel, is the one who, I don't know what is the wonderful hormones which come up when you feel too excited.
The saline.
And all of that. But honestly, I think a lot of us were discussing about health, which is absolutely a priority as we are going. Karan Saab said, we are going towards the sunset years. And if there's anything which can start on a good note, especially during the start of the year, come to this event, guys. I said in my promotional speech which Raja told me to make, I said, come live the magic.
Live
and
the
I
magic,
think
yes.
it's always the magic.
And come, please come. You know what it is to spin on your axis.
With such punches and such punts which only come from like unique guys like this. Love you guys, all of you. Like this. We don't know when the sunset will happen, but we know for sure whenever it happens as Colonel Saab, we'll be on our toes, having still a beer or a whiskey in our hands and enjoying to life. Let's look forward to it.
Hey, moral support है हाँ बाबा. देख moral support.
Thanks guys. Couple of things. बुरा उस pandemic का जिसने हमारे 2 reunion छीन लिया. So we lost 2 reunions. I think we need to make up for that. Yeah. This reunion for me is not just rebooting myself, but when I talk about these reunions outside, people are actually shocked. कि साले तुम लोग अभी भी ये कैसे कर पाते हो? So thanks to each one of you, because I think each one has that little bit of glue that bonds you to the next guy, which bonds him to the other guy. So I think it's a phenomenal exercise, not just for your own self, but I think it does a great deed to your family. Because my wife has never objected me saying, school reunion, she doesn't even ask me a question. ये जाएगा और आएगा.
तो पता भी है ना first weekend of January.
कोएड स्कूल नहीं था, मुझे आइडिया. उसको मालूम है कोएड स्कूल नहीं था.
So I think guys keep up the spirit. My belief is जिंदगी बड़ी होनी चाहिए, लंबी छोटी की चिंता मत करो. So live it to the fullest. Sunset year है. I don't even believe it's a sunset. I think 50 is the new 40. So guys, rock on.
Yes, rock on.
Get your asses here so we can take it.
Guys, those who don't come, it's their loss. जो नहीं आते हैं उनका लॉस है. जो आते हैं वो फुल गेन करके जाते हैं.
Gain करके जाते हैं.
ठीक है? Thanks, buddy.
He had 2 points. He mentioned he had 2 points.
Kiss.
एक ही हुआ अभी तक. दूसरा point
2 points.
अगली बार मैं एक साल में कुछ
2 नहीं 3.
3 अरे
Thanks to each and every person who met me today. Especially thanks to the core team who have organized such build.
more and more special thanks to Lester, who had been in touch, especially invited. I had gone through some difficult phase of my life during pandemic also. Everybody knows that my mother passed away. To come out from that phase also, it was a very difficult, staying in one single home within the walls. He took the initiative to take me inside, invite me here. I could manage to come over here. Yes, I was missing some of my friends who recently lost some of their old relatives or own mothers and sisters. So that also I feel bad. I know what stage they must have been going because I have gone through that stage also a little bit earlier. Still, my sincere thanks to each and everybody. I will try and possibly to be present at least for half day or one day in the coming reunions also.
पहले तेरा सिग्नेचर स्टेप कर दे
No, I think as I was thinking now, this is the group that knows me the best. मतलब कितने भी दोस्त हैं, there are all friends all over. But somehow I'm amazed that this is the group that knows me in and out.
step इधर ही करते
सब step इधर ही करते हैं. कुछ भी है छोटा मोटा. So and I don't think any other school has something like this. So I have a business proposition. We can start reunion as a service.
I think Raja was
Not a bad idea.
Kedar can do that.
And if they don't have sufficient members, we can attend as well.
पहला कुछ साल में तो लगेगा ही. Nobody will show up and then.
Absolutely.
But it's amazing that we are able to do this, and thanks to everyone. And special thanks to Ketan. Last 2-3 years we have been getting this cycle and so on. So it's always that routine now. कि उसके घर पे जाओ, get the cycle, come here and meet all of you all. So it's absolutely an amazing feeling. I'm just feeling so relaxed. Thank you, each one of you.
तू भी आ जा everyone.
अरे कम ना one by one. बोल ना बाबा. बोल.
So this is the most difficult part for me. Difficult part not to express, but difficult the moment right now when we are about to say goodbyes. Lester knows it.
मैं खड़ा रहता हूँ
हाँ खड़ा रहे.
Moral support.
the man, the woman and the intermediary.
पति पत्नी और
So when it comes to saying goodbyes, I'm the worst one to express it. And this moment, every reunion, it's the most difficult time for me.
Lot of hard work gone, lot of moments, good, shocking, no venue, no caterer, no people, only booze available. So
कहाँ
lot
बैठ
of
के पीना है?
things.
कहाँ बैठ के पीना है? Basically that is the.
अरे पहले booze आएगा कैसे? You know, all these things, and I think in the last 1 month, lot of things came into place. We finalized the venue. They were not allowing the caterers to come in. They said we'll give you our own caterers. Thankfully the food is good if you will all agree. If no one has got any gas problem, superb.
Good enough.
No, good food. Place is nice. Most of us liked the way this. It gave us a similar feel, maybe better I would say in some places. Except that there were 2 bathrooms and we had to wait in line. But overall, that worked. The booze worked. And many of you guys have come from out. You know, and it's lovely. At short notice, we managed to get this done. And last May, in the 3-4 days before the reunion, Raja and me had a call. And I said, ye set hai, ye set hai, ye set hai, ye set hai, let's go ahead. Dishant was there back at the back preparing his list. Excel sheets, is an expert in that. And finally the jigsaw puzzle was in place when we entered this place over here. So Raja is really.
अभी राजा को बोलने दो.
अभी उसको बोलने दो, उसको थोड़ा.
Last few days I've been hearing this, like Lester said, बहुत मेहनत किया. Quite a few have come up to me and said, बहुत मेहनत किया. The only thing I will express this is that ये मेहनत लगा नहीं. ये मजा था, because as every one of you expressed what this reunion means to you, what it feels like when you go back, that's exactly the same for me. So putting an effort to do this, like they say, when work is like play, it's no longer work. So this never felt like that. So it was just these moments to bring it was as much as my or ours selfish interest to get this together as much as everyone wanted to come here. So it was nothing about going extra, no feeling like that. So it's only that to see these moments and get everyone together and as Shailesh rightly said, people say, I mean, how do you guys keep doing this even 50 plus or you still? That's the same thing which I keep hearing from so many of my other friends who are from college also. I mean, हमारे school to touch में भी नहीं है. Most of them say that. They not even just take WhatsApp group and नाम का and all that. But you guys go to the other extent and the bonding that you all have, the things you all keep doing is crazy. So my hope, pray and wish is that this goes on. And year on year and year on year we keep doing this and we keep meeting this and ये दोस्ती बनी रहेगी.
Kiss the bride, 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 kiss the bride.
Mind blowing. Love you guys.
It's mind blowing, fantastic, fabulous. Vinay, your turn. Vinay, spoken, your turn.
Last but not the least.
Just say what you feel. Vinay, your turn to speak.
Come at the center.
The red point has to reflect on your ceremony.
Only feelings to be.
Yeah, only a feelings to be done.
I know most people would have said this, but it's a great honor for me, and it's basically my place to be myself without any cover, and that feels so nice in itself that I mean you want to do it more and more every year, and that's yeah, short and sweet.
Hi everyone, thanks for the fantastic reunion. That has really recharged me up and hope to see you soon again. Thanks Raja and all the organizing team. Perfect.